Hi everyone. Well, I'm going to show you a completely different car, especially because I don't really collect this kind of cars, but this particular car was one of my restorations. It's an old Matchbox Maseratti Bora. It's from the 1970s. I got this car completely trashed. It was painted red. The original color is very close to this one, but it was painted red and black. The windows were completely painted. There was only a tiny square, tiny clear square here. The rest of it was all painted. There was paint all over it. Paint in the windshield. It was probably painted with a brush. And the interior was a complete mess, all dirty and full of paint. This car was in terrible shape. So what I did is I took it apart, but I just didn't drill the rivets, because these mushroom rivets were actually very easy to come out. So I just took the car apart and removed the paint completely. I just didn't have the techniques I have nowadays, and I had no chemicals for paint stripping. I have no electro polisher, so I did it all by hand with steel brush and sandpaper. I managed to clear the windshield. This glass here is actually the original glass. So is the interior. It's the original interior. Then I sprayed this car with this color. It's just a little bit messed up here because of poor storage. Some rubber tire from a different car touched here and damaged the paint a little bit, but I just leave it the way it is. And I also managed to paint this part of a chassis, which is never really painted, but it is car color in the actual car. So I did it in the front and in the rear. This chassis used to be green, so green really wouldn't match very well with the rest of the car. Just since this was completely trashed, I think it would be nice to have it look as close as possible to the real car. So this is it. It's been done here for, let's say, some 5 years perhaps. Just let me know what you think about this restoration. Leave your comments below, and please don't forget to leave your like and subscribe my channel. See you in the next video. Bye bye.